we also have a hidden door which goes right to the washroom. Hello everyone, welcome back to our DesignCafe's YouTube channel again. My name is Shaikh. I'm a senior interior designer at Mumbai, and today we are going to take you to a thoughtfully designed 2BHK at Goregaon West. Size and design are two parallel lines in the interior industry. So we at DesignCafe, we try to work on these principles of interior designing. And here we take care that design and space are properly blended together. The most amazing part in this apartment, and my personal favorite as a designer I like, is this foyer area. Just have a look at the CNC cut petal designs which we have made over here. And we have added some gold putties to just add as a highlighter over it. So when we talk about the designing in this foyer area, you can see we have done some engraving of CNC over here, which is finished with PU. So the whole area over here, we have finished with a PU design, which gives a rich look to the entrance, along with a shoe rack, which has a sitting over here. The shoe rack we have made in 2 steps. So the below part you can sit down over here and you can wear your shoes. And in terms of designing, you can see we have added some fluted designs in the shoe rack. Just when we enter the hall, we have a beautifully designed main door, which is finished well by our DC team. And on the left, we have an arc-shaped mirror wall, which not only adds a drama to the room and also adds some liveliness to the entire living room part. Pooja Ghar has always been too special for the Indian homes. So what we have done is that we have made a tall unit of a mandir where we have added a golden backlit design, and we have made 2 pocket doors which can be easily closed and the mandir can be flushed. Following the Vastu in the house, this space was the most auspicious space for mandir. So we have designed a mandir over here, but the client always had a requirement to have a 4-seater dining table. To use that space, we have made a 4-seater folding dining table over here, which can easily be folded and flushed to the wall. Just as we walk through the house, you have seen we have used more of white colors. So here we have added a mustard color sofa, which gives a liveliness to the room and also adds a color tinge to the room. So just as you can see, we have added a tinge of the same shade on these dining chairs also. So as I show you the TV unit, I like to tell you I have a surprise which is there in the end, which I will tell you post I show you all the elements of the TV unit. So as you can see, we have added a PU finished fluted panels over here, which gives a liveliness to the TV unit, and added some gold metal putties, which gives a colored element to the unit. A 55-inch TV unit placed over here, so the family can easily watch the TV. And then in the below part, we have created a space where you can keep your set-top box. So when we go towards the end of the TV unit, here we have added a display cabinet where you can display all your elements or your trophies over here. And then the surprise part which I wanted to show you, there is a bar unit over here where all your bar bottles can be kept, and it is a push to open shutter unit. So now we move on to the heart of the house, which is the kitchen. So the client had come with a requirement where she wanted to retain the granite counter and make the modulars apart from the granite part. So first, there was a sink which was already there by the builder. So we have made a sink unit below. Just beside the sink unit, we have added a oil pull-out. So you can have your masala ka dabbas and your oil on pull-outs in this. Then the hob unit is placed over here. So if you can see, we have just concealed the hob part over here. So it is flushed inside, and we have added drawers below it. Then to utilize most of the space, we have added a blind corner where you can keep your bigger dabbas. Followed by it, we have taken a 2 drawers ka unit. The below part, we have added some ventilation ka jali. So the ventilation ka jali helps you to keep the vegetables inside ventilated. Just as I show you the kitchen, it is made in a high gloss laminate over here. So just to add a tinge of color or a tinge of luxury element to the kitchen, we have added a black profiled fluted tinted glass over here, and there are lift ups over here. So you can utilize the space and the lift up can be closed easily. So the kitchen, as you can see, we have added a loft storages above, which gives you more of storages. So the dead storages, you can keep it directly above over there. And wait, I'll show you a different thing. So just when you wash your utensils, you can keep your wash utensils on this dish drainer unit above. So now we are standing in the master bedroom. When the client had very specific requirements in their mind and had some furnitures to be placed as per the Vastu. So we have made the room as per their requirement, and also they had a huge faith in us with our designs, and we have implemented the same over here. So the moment you enter this room, so you have seen a nice dresser, a full height dresser we have placed over here. So it has 2 drawers and 3-tone light effects in this mirror. So if you can see, we have just placed this mirror right beside the bed. So this can also be used as a side table and also gives a liveliness to the room. So after a long discussion with the client, what we have understood from the client is that they are looking for a space saving furniture, and we have added in our design this corner unit. So keeping the space and requirements in our mind, so we have designed a full height wardrobe which has laminate of high gloss in it. We have added a black fluted glass ka band in between, and also with a black profile which implements as a design element to it. And we have also added some lights inside the wardrobe. This master bedroom is a perfect combo for a family which covers 4 design elements in the room. So we have covered a full height wardrobe which gives you ample amount of storage. Then we have a bed with hydraulic storage. We cover a side table come a study table where you can use for your work from home ka concept. And then in the ceiling you can have some profile lighting ka designs also. And wait, we also have a hidden door which goes right to the washroom. So when we talked about the master bedroom, we have covered more of storages, Vastu compliance, and now we are entering the kids' bedroom, which is the most interesting room in the house. So we have designed this room for 2 children. One is his 5 years old son and 10 years old daughter. So the bed is made for them, a bunk bed with a single bed above, and below it is looking like a single bed, but wait, we have a trundle bed which comes out and which converts into a 2 bed. So DC is not only about design, customer satisfaction, but it is also for quality. So what the bed we have made over here, it is made of a pure plywood, and you can see the strength, which is finished with a Persian walnut laminate, which gives a clean wooden earthy look to the room. So keeping the space in mind, we have designed a study table for a kid with ample amount of storages above. And just as you can see, the way I am sitting, the daylight is more over here. So you can see the amount of daylight. So if we turn off the light, you can still see the brightness over here. Mumbai homes are always been a huge challenge to design. So the client always comes with a huge requirement with a less amount of space in the room. So you can see how wide the space is over here with a bed, and also we have designed a sliding wardrobe with ample amount of storage for the kids. And you can see we have added a soft close mechanism for it with a high gloss laminate. So the shade used over here is a very subtle tone for the kids. So I have designed this mirror in this ball. So if you can see, it is not a square plain mirror. It has some curves which gives an aesthetic look to the room and also adds some liveliness in the room. So as you can see, my height is 5'10", but still the kids are quite small. In the next 5-10 years, then also they can use the mirror easily. And guys, if you are looking for your home interiors, you can visit DesignCafe.com and book your free consultation from us. And guys, if you like our video, you can share with your families and friends and also subscribe to our channel.